Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix contextual menu slow. To begin, open Settings from Start menu. In the System section, click on About. Here, click on the line Advanced System Settings. In this window, in the Performance section, click on Settings. After this, check the option Adjust for Best Performance. Apply these changes. Now right-click on the Start menu and choose Terminal Admin. Click Yes to access. In the terminal, you must perform a scan of the file system with the command sfc/scannow. Press Enter. You must wait for the scan to be completed on your system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, check to see if any corrections were made. This will help optimize the Windows context menu. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.